The best music distributor on the market right now is LANDR. I absolutely love them and use them to distribute my own music. But how do you go about doing this and actually distributing your music with LANDR for both original music and cover songs? So I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. Hey, I'm Regan Ram with Orpheus Audio Academy. On this channel, I talk about how to not only produce pro quality music from home, but also how to then release it out into the world. So if that is of interest to you, go ahead and hit subscribe to this channel. All right, so we are uploading a track here. So when you log into LANDR, right, you can go to my releases or distribution here, and you can see all your different releases. So let's go ahead and now add a release. We're gonna do new release. We're gonna add the track. So as we upload your track, make sure you use a WAV file. Oh, by the way, right here, right, if you've already done mastering or uploaded your track for mastering, it'll be here already. Here's the song that I mastered myself, uploading. And we're gonna wanna update the information here by clicking this pencil. All right, so once you've uploaded the track, then you want to just go through and fill out all the information about it here. You have the track title, the language, the genre, what you want the preview clip start time to be. So like when it's previewed on different apps like TikTok, when does it start in your track? Here's where you select what artist profile you're gonna release it under. So you can have multiple artists with LANDR. So this is where you select the one that you want to release it under. And right, if you don't have artists in here, you can add them easily. This is where you'll be prompted to add that. Producers, you gotta make sure you put on all this. If it's you did everything, just put in all your information here. You have to say if it contains lyrics or not, who the lyricist is, who the composer is, if it's an original or a cover. And then also if you have any licensed content in here, or if it's 100% original, you have to set that. And you also have to mention if you used any AI tools. I did not for this track. And then confirm here and do save. That's great. Then we go back to release information and you put in your information here for who's the composer, mastering, recording owner, when it was composed and recorded, if it's been released before, and if you have a label. I have my own label, so put that in. All right, so then we got the artwork section here. So this is where you can generate one with the AI, with their AI creator, which is pretty cool, or you upload one you already have. This is something that's new. So you can add like an image first. So add one personal image and at least one instruction. And you can create your album art here. All right, I uploaded a picture of my wife, and let's see, let's do styles. We could photorealistic, interesting. Enter the void. We could do colors. Let's try this like neon color here. And we'll say woman playing the piano in a retro synthwave landscape. Let's see what that does. This is actually my first time using this. So we'll see how this goes, because this is brand new. When I went to create this video, I'm like, oh, okay, we got an album art creator now. Let's try it out. Interesting. Interesting. You can add text as well. Okay, cool. Interesting. But I don't want the generated one. All right, that's actually pretty cool. So obviously I can get a lot more detailed. The description was pretty vague there. Could add text, different fonts. I don't really feel like adding text for this, but that's pretty cool. We can export that. So that's just one way you can go about creating your album art if you need album art, or you upload one you already have. So I'm going to do that. And you got some guidelines here on what your artwork needs to match in order to work and be accepted. All right, so there is our album art. Then we'll do next. Release settings. This is where you select what stores you want to show on. So you can see you got all the major ones here, plus 100 other major stores. Now, if you want to be able to have it on social media, platforms, and fingerprinting systems, it cannot be delivered to these platforms for this song because it contains non-exclusive content. So it can only have non-exclusive content. I think I used some samples. So you choose when you want it to go live. You can use a specific date or just say as soon as possible. And then just say, watch out for fraudulent services. Cool. All right, if it all looks good, then we just check all these boxes that you have the rights and you grant them the necessary rights to distribute it. And then submit. Pretty cool. It's been submitted. So I said as soon as possible. For me, I've noticed my songs can sometimes go live the same day or the next day usually. So I'm doing this in the morning, so this could go live later this evening, or most likely it'll probably be live tomorrow. I can go check out my releases, or I can work on promoting it. And then they've got some tools here and some education on how to go about promoting your song once you have it released. All right, how about that? It was only about an hour and a half later, and my song is already released. So I guess as you're releasing more music and you build up that relationship with LANDR, your music gets approved faster. Because, boom, my song is already out on Spotify right here. Nice. And there's a bunch of different distributors out there, but I have not found one that handles cover songs as well as LANDR, which is the distributor I use for my music. And what they do is you just pay a one-time $15 fee, and then they handle all of the legal stuff for you, including, you know, putting it out onto YouTube and other platforms. So I'll show you now how you can upload your cover song to LANDR and get it distributed onto all the major platforms without any legal problems whatsoever. So I've done this in the past with DistroKid. So for $12 a year, they take care of all that stuff for you. So you upload your cover song, then they just take that $12 fee from you every year. And that's great and everything. But if you think about it, that can really add up quickly. Now you're paying lots of money, right? If you have 20 cover songs out there, how much you're paying quite a lot of money now every year, and that continues to add up. So I recently switched my distributor. I switched to LANDR, and LANDR is awesome because they only charge you one $15 upfront fee, one-time fee for your cover song, and boom, it's done. It's out there on all the different platforms, and you can actually earn money. You earn royalties now on that song. So that is excellent. By the way, I did another video breaking down the full different pricing comparison between DistroKid and LANDR, and you can save tons of money using LANDR versus DistroKid. So check that out in the description below. Other distributors, they kind of just leave you on your own, and you gotta kind of figure that all stuff out for yourself. So I think LANDR is in the perfect sweet spot here, where you don't really have to mess with all the legal stuff, but they also make it very affordable. So here is a LANDR, so we're going to go ahead and set this up. So we're going to do start a release. By the way, you can also import releases very easily. So if you've released with another distributor, you can easily transfer it over here and keep all your streams and playlists and so on. But we're not doing that right now. We're going to start a new release because I have a new cover song I just finished, and I want to get it out on streaming platforms and online stores as quick as possible. So we're going to click add track here. So we're going to drop your tracks. They accept WAV, FLAC, and AIFF files. I really like this. They have LANDR has a high standard here. They're only going to accept those high quality lossless files there. I got my WAV file here for my cover song, which is a cover of Jackson Browne's Running on Empty, done in a synthwave style. We'll go next. So now we're going to click the little pencil tool here, and then we are going to set the track information here. So the track title is Running on Empty. English. Genre is electronic. Subgenre is, it's too bad synthwave isn't on here, I guess electronica. And then we can choose a preview clip start time. So 60-second preview will be used on apps like TikTok. So we kind of want to choose the best part of the song. All right, so we got this information. Now I just got to choose our artist, and my primary artist is Andromeda Coast. That's not relevant. That's not relevant. Producers, I got to put in a name, so it would be myself. Yes, it contains lyrics. They are not explicit. They are in English. And then the lyricist would be the person who wrote the lyrics. So that would be Jackson Browne. It is a cover song, because that's what we're doing here, showing you how to legally release a cover song. So if you already have a license, you can choose this, which is really great, because some distributors, they don't give you this option like DistroKid. Even if you had your own license, you still had to pay the $12 a year fee. So they didn't really give you the option to handle it yourself. So here you can do it with LANDR, right? If you have the license yourself, you can do that here. Then you just gotta give documentation down below to show that you do indeed have the license. In this case, I'm gonna have LANDR handle it for me. So I need a license, so it's a $15 one-time fee. So the original song title is Running on Empty. Original performing artist is Jackson Browne. Original composers. And then optional, I can link to the original track. It's interesting. So let's see if this works. So it's the Spotify link. So you can speed up your release process. So your tracks will go through an automatic content recognition system to detect any copyrighted content. Make sure to upload all licenses that apply up front. If your track contains copyrighted content, but you don't currently have the right to use it, learn how to clear it. So this is all completely unique composition that I made. I mean, it's a cover song, but I didn't use any copyrighted sounds. So this track contains royalty-free samples, loops, instrumentals, and DAW stock sounds, i.e. from LANDR samples, Splice, GarageBand, or Logic, yes. All right, so we'll hit save. So we'll do next. So the composition owner would be me. Now I gotta upload the cover art. So we got Running on Empty by Andromeda Coast. And by the way, LANDR has some nice tools to help you learn how to make your own cover art
or you can hire a pro designer here from the LANDR network to make your own cover art. I made this cover art myself. Actually, I have my own tutorial on how I make my artwork like this very affordably. I just use AI and then a little bit of photo editing here. So I'm not a designer at all, so this can be done by anyone. I have a link to that tutorial in the description below. So here you can say what stores you want to go to. So you can see all the major ones here, plus 100 other major stores. So it's a cover, so I can't include these extra little monetization features like YouTube content ID because it is a cover. And so when would you like this release to go live? We can do it as soon as possible, usually within 2 to 7 days, or we can set a specific date 14 days from now or later. So this allows you to pitch the playlist. And to pitch the playlist, your release must be at least 14 days away. So I do think I want to do this because I want to be able to pitch 2 playlists. So we're going to do that. And then typically the international release date is a Friday. So we'll do Friday, November 1st. All right, looks good. Then we just have to do these disclaimer things here. All right, now I just have to make that $15 payment. All right, so that all went through. So it says your release has been submitted. Keep an eye on your emails. We'll reach out to you if there's anything related to your release. So right now it's currently being reviewed. And the next step is processing by stores. And finally it'll be live in stores. So awesome, our cover song is ready to go. Now, once your cover song is out, you want to actually promote it so it can get streams. And if you're someone like me who doesn't have money for, to run ads, and you just want a simple way to grow your Spotify streams for free, but also gives you the opportunity to trigger the Spotify algorithm so it can start getting onto its algorithmic playlists, then be sure to grab my free Spotify playlist placement guide. I'll have that linked in the description below, or you can go to orpheusaudioacademy.com/Spotify playlist. And this will walk you through a simple free strategy that you can follow to get your songs onto tons and tons of Spotify playlists. All right, so now my cover song is out and you can see it here running on empty. It is live. And if I go to my Spotify for Artists, you can see it's out and it already has 692 streams. So that's really cool. It's out there, it's on Spotify, it's getting streams, and I don't have to worry about paying anymore for it. It's a one-time fee, it's done. I don't have to worry about any legal issues. So it's really a major headache avoider if you're using LANDR's cover song distribution platform. In fact, I've used other music distributors in the past, and because of how they handled their cover song licensing, they really limited me and prevented me from uploading more cover songs because it just didn't make sense for me. But with LANDR, I have no worries about uploading and releasing tons and tons of cover songs. So this is really exciting. And it's a big reason actually why I switched to LANDR in the first place. If you want to get LANDR yourself or try it out, you can actually get 20% off your first year when you use my code. I have when you use my link, I have it linked in the description below, or you can go to orpheusaudioacademy.com/LANDR, and you can see all the awesome tools it has, and you can get 20% off your first year. So that's how you release cover songs. Now, if you want to learn how to actually generate more streams and actually get to the point where you're earning, $500, $1,000 a month just from Spotify streaming alone, then check out my video on the screen right now, which walks you through the plan that you need to follow to hit that number that many other independent artists are following to hit that number. So see you over there.